I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hello guys, hope you are doing all wherever you are. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This depends on when you are watching this video. I came here to say thank you very much for those who have been supporting me on this channel, and also for those who have been sharing this video, also liking and also commenting. Don't take this for granted. I thank you very much for keeping supporting me all the time. I don't take that thing as a small thing, but I take that thing as a big thing. So for the new ones, or for the new viewers, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscription button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and that by doing that we will grow together in this journey of YouTube. So guys, as you can see, I'm in a green environment. You see, so this is my village home, which is located at a place called Murang'a, which is a central part of Kenya, in Murang'a. So this is my village, this is where I come from, and today I decided to do a video with you guys to tour this farm together, so that we can know what we plant in this area, and also to encourage someone who is there, who has an idle land. He does not know, or she does not know what to use this land for. I am here to tell you that you can plant a lot of things in your farm and be a farmer profitable. So we are going to see how this farm is structured in our village and how it is profitable when we are doing farming here, which really helps my mom to do daily things here in the village through this farm, and also it keeps someone busy because it has a lot of things. You have a lot of plants, a lot of crops that you are planting in this farm. So this is the farm. We have a big farm. It's from this side until to the head side. Here you see those trees. So in this farm I will show you how we work. As you can see, we have maize now, although this is a little bit, you will see where some lands are good. You can see we have also beans. These are beans. You see beans, planted beans. So in this farm we have planted a lot of plants. We have avocados here, we have bananas, we have macadamia, and all these we sold them in the local market, and then you have something to survive with, because in home or in the village you cannot lack anything, because you have bananas, you can sell bananas, you can sell avocados, and all this will help one to maneuver or to survive in these rural areas. So come with me guys and show you how this place looks like. So you can see we have banana here. This is banana. It's a little bit small. It's small, but like this banana will not lack allowed. It's allowed. This banana will cost you, when you sell it at a local market here, you'll find some like $1.5 there. So we have a lot. You have another one here. You see this one here. we have a lot. So here is a macadamia, and this plant here is a macadamia, and this plant, like a hot tree like this one, it will cost you around 50 kgs of macadamia, and each kg of macadamia is allowed $0.5. So you'll never lack something when purchased in a local market. Here, this is another banana. See bananas like this one here. This one is ready bananas. They are ready to be sold in a local place or in a local market, but you cannot lack some. These are pawpaw. See this one? They are pawpaw. They have not matured already, but once they have matured, you also have some fruits. Are they called tomato? Are they called tomato fruits or what? Also have these fruits. Tomato fruits. So that's amongst some fruits here. They are good, and you can sell them in the local market, and you'll find something. So I was saying that when you are in the village, it's very hard. If you are hardworking enough, it's very hard to not to find something in the pocket, because you can sell them. You can also eat them by yourself. So if you are working enough, you never lack something here in the village. So you can see this is maize. This is maize. This is avocado tree. Remember I posted a video showing you people how this place looks like with a lot of avocados. You can see avocados there. We have several trees in this area, and yes, you have also potatoes. You have beans. These are beans. They have really grown very well. They have really grown very well. You can hear. I think in village the life is very good and it's very cool, because you can hear some noises of birds, which is very natural, cool one. It's a cool place to be. You can see the environment of the trees. Trees are over, green ones, trees all over. These are the bananas, and these bananas, let me approach here. These bananas are I'll be comparing with the one we saw there. A lot of bananas, plantains. See this one? In this region we have a lot of bananas. See? So when you sell these bananas in the local farm or in the local market, you never miss. So this here is this one here. Is it this one? This one here is avocado. Also this one here is avocado. So as you can see, this area is very green. A very green area. So when you are in the village, as I was saying, and you are very hardworking, you'll never lack or you'll never go wrong. I think approximately you can make around $5 a day. In a day you want to make $5 here in the farm, because you have a lot of things to sell. You can see this is avocado here also, but it's a young avocado because it has no fruits already, so you cannot lack things here. I will just show you how this looks. You see how this area looks like. These are corns or maize. This is avocado plant, a tree, and that is a mango tree. And these avocados are in this area. We have a lot of avocados in this area. So it has been raining. That's why you can see the maize are in good state. See, another tree of avocado, another one here. Yes, that's how our farm looks like. So this is this called this one here. This is pumpkin, and these leaves are used for vegetable. You can create vegetable using these leaves. See these leaves? It makes a good vegetable. You also have avocados, another avocados. And you can see these are about to be ready. See, these are about to be ready. They are about to be ready. At each of these, 10 of these avocados, you can sell them at when they are ready. So when they are ready, you can sell them at 6 of them. You can sell them at around 6 of them is around is it around $0.4. They are not that expensive because many people here have a lot of avocados. There's another pumpkin. It's all over in this area. You can see another purple there. I just want to show you how a rad in village can be a treasure, and also to show how you can make money using such kind of land. Because if you are using this as a vegetable, these pumpkin leaves, you have already saved something on, and also you are not using, it's organic, you're not using chemicals to plant them. So this area we have planted maize there and some avocados there. So another area here we have planted this area here we planted coffee. So I'll just show you how this coffee looks like. So it also feels nice when you come around this farm and also do some activities like putting some manure in this farm, and also putting manure in this coffee. You can see coffee berries. These are coffee berries. They have not matured yet. After maturing, it will turn red in color. which are red cherry or coffee cherry. See, so you have to put fertilizer, not fertilizer, manure around this stem or this tree. Manure. See, it's very green. It's very green. So when you are at home, those are activities that you do. See, we have another veg here, vernicon. And I can see my mom also planted this coffee. In this area, coffee are doing also well because if you have coffee in your farm and you have many trees of the coffee in this area, you also not lack anything because you are selling it, although it's a long-term business whereby you take them to the factory, then they are being processed, then they will take time for you to be paid because they have to go to the marketing, which is Mombasa, for auctioning, and then you will be paid thereafter. But it's also a good thing because you cannot lack something at the end of the day, because if you have a lot of trees, for example, if one tree gives you 3 kgs of a coffee, and you have a lot of trees, let's say you have allowed 300 trees, so those are 900 kgs. And for example, if a kg is sold at 80 bob or 70 bob, that's approximately allowed, that is Kenyan money, that's about allowed 63,000, which is 5, or which is around $550 there for one season. And we have 2 seasons per year for coffee, so you can see you will not lack something. You see like this one, wow, that's a lot of berries, a lot of written this color because there's a lot of sun. We just sun on it and see it has a lot of coffees. And the process of harvesting this coffee is by picking one by one, and we have a lot in this farm. So it's tiresome, but it has good result at the end. So this one is another here. So another one here. This is a academia tree. We have another avocado there. This one here is an avocado tree. This is coffee here. See the coffee. The coffee area. And we have a lot of trees of coffee. So this is to encourage someone who has an idle rod. And in Kenya a lot of roads are fertile. You see another small plant there. So you can do something. You can just plant. For example, these are trees. You'll never cultivate. You just cultivate a little while, but it's not that crop that you are needed in the farm all the time. So once you plant this coffee tree, these ones you see, you not come daily and cultivate them, daily service. You just come and plant it, and when it turns to be a big tree, that's all. And then you start harvesting the coffee and selling it. For example, there are other areas you cannot plant these coffee plants, but you can plant another type of tree which are good, or which are making or which is good in that environment or that climate. So that's how our farms looks like. Comprises several crops. So for us, we do mixed farming, because we also have cows. This is the glass for cows, which is a zero grazing cows. Remember the activities that I shown you there above. My link is at or you can watch that video. Oh, whoa, look at this. But I can see it is even cut here. This place. But it has a lot. It's producing a lot, but their lap, it's broken. Look at that. Coffee plantation. It's very nice. Very nice. See another banana there coming up. This is a macadamia tree. It's a macadamia, but they are not ready. Macadamia. So our farm of coffee tree goes up there, this place, this point. This point along this way, along this way until this point here. It's allowed an acre of our coffee. So that's how our farm looks like. These are logs. They are for timber. So we cut it like this, and then when they are dry, you produce timber from them. So that's how our farm looks like. It's a good farm, and also it has positive returns, which is magnificent. You cannot lack anything. You cannot lack something from a farm. You see, we also have chicken. They are free-range chicken. There are several of them. See another one here. And these bananas. You have a lot of bananas in this area. Lot of it. And a big one. See how it's big. It's big, big, big. See another one here. Another one there. This one. Lot of bananas. So this is our farm is full of many things. Many things. A lot of things. It's macadamia. macadamia is here. These three is macadamia, and also this here is macadamia. We saw several macadamias. See, the macadamias. This one. One tree like this one here, it yields a lot of macadamia. A lot of. It's a avocado tree. As you can see, it has some avocados. See, some avocados. It's a big one. This section here is where we plant our maize, our bananas. We have another avocado here tree. Yes, you can see this one is ready. It's ready. It's a big one. As I've said earlier, we do mixed farming. We have a lot of crops that we grow. A lot of maize, bananas, avocados, macadamias, mango trees here. A lot of it. So guys, continue subscribing to this YouTube channel. Also like and also share this video. Hope you did enjoy that tour. It's a quick one, a farm tour or a farm village tour, which has a lot of those things. Bananas, all over here is bananas. So guys, continue subscribing. For those who have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I am requesting you to subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together as a team. Yes, that's how it is.